If you've removed your TikTok and wish to reinstall it, you can easily do it via device App Store or Play Store according to your device, either it's Android or iPhone. So go to your Play Store or App Store, and once you're there, tap on the search button in the bottom right and tap on search in the top. Type in TikTok. Once you do that, tap on the TikTok application, and there you will see the option of install. Tap on it to install it to its latest version. Wait for the app to download and install, and after installation, you can easily open the app and log into your account. For iPhone, the same steps are applicable, so go to App Store instead of Play Store and search for TikTok. You will get in the search results and then tap on Get button or the cloud icon if you have previously downloaded it, and wait for the app to install and then open it and log in. If you've deleted your TikTok account, just not the app, you will need to create a new account, as deleted accounts are usually permanently removed after 30 days. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.